Hey guys, Steve here. Talking boots, talking about feet. My feet in particular, because I am on them all day long and I really go through my boots. So it's time for a new pair. Recently found out about Brunt, a new company, or at least new to me, and they make boots. I like that name too, man. That just feels like a boot company, doesn't it? So I want to open up this box and see what I've got. Let's do it. Here we go. Let's open this up and have a look. Right here on top is a cloth, probably for cleaning or conditioning. Good idea. And then there's this black card. It talks a bit about their adjustable width, and we'll talk about that in a second. And here they are, boots. 9.5 in brown. I like them. There's one, there's two. What they mean by the adjustable width feature is that when you put these boots on, and if you feel like they're just a little bit too tight, there's an insole, and then underneath that, there is another layer, a little gray insert, that you could take out and set aside and then put the insole back in, and it should give your feet a little more room. So if you need to and it feels more comfortable, you can do it that way. So what we have here are full grain leather, rubber skinned soles, which are electrically hazard rated. The midsole here is shock absorbing. So hopefully, I think my feet will like those after 8 or so hours in the field. So these are pretty nice. I'm looking forward to putting them on. Let's see how they go. Putting these boots on, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 eyelets, and then the last 2 are those kind of speed hook things, which I like. So, and it's got a little loop in the back to grab onto to get my clumsy feet in. Feels pretty good, guys. This is a mid-rise boot. I think it's 6 inches. How about that? Let me stand up on them. Yeah, I think my feet are going to be happy. Hey, I like them. They feel good. Right out of the box, comfortable. And they're only going to get more comfortable as I break them in. So thanks to Brunt for a great product. I hope you'll try them out, and thank you for watching.